Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Scoots here, and I've got a lot of people asking in emails about what we use in our fuel to be able to protect it during storage. And I really wanted to share this with you. We've been using it since it came out, and not only does it make our bikes run so much better, but it lasts for 12 months. And if you do it at every fill up, you will be surprised how well your bike will run. And it's amazing. It's an amazing little product. We're not being paid to share it with you. I mean, I can't say enough about it. The stuff just does what it's advertised to do. You just add 1 ounce to 5 gallons. This tank here holds 4.6 gallons of fuel with 0.7 gallons in the reserve, which is all together. Show you how easy it is to use. All you do is open up your tank, and this is the stuff right here. I'm telling you, you give this stuff a shot. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located in this product.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Clint Eastwood. He's got a long name. But anyhow, basically it has all the ounces on the bottle, so you just add 1 ounce to 5 gallons. So we're going to do that right here. It's a 10-ounce bottle, so right there's 1 ounce in and done. Now after you add it to your fuel, we highly suggest that you start the bike up. Now this one's pretty easy to start up. In that 117 in it, it has compression releases in the head, so it makes it really easy to start. Otherwise, it's not that easy. They don't make a starter really strong enough to turn it over without doing that because the compression's so high on it. But anywho, start the bike up, let it run, take it for a ride, or just let it idle for at least 5 minutes so the fuel gets into the carb and all the fuel lines. Just let it set and idle until you feel that it's circulated fully through. On this bike, we found about 5 minutes idling, but I'd rather ride it, so I just jump on it and take it for a ride. I have never had my bike run that good, or any bike. You're going to love it. I'm sorry for all the wind out here. It's really windy today. Again, your bike will not, it will just run so good with that stuff in it. It's an amazing product. We're really happy that we found it. So I hope this helps everyone, and make sure you check out our channel. There's a lot of good stuff on there, and buffing and polishing and doing all kinds of crazy stuff to your bike. Sweet Scoots out. GoPro stop recording.